Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Just an update this week. No project, I apologize. I'm actually kind of running low on projects. The shop is kind of built the way I want it, and right now everything is actually working out really well. If you want to know a little bit more about the shop, you can check out Jay Bates's website. He has posted a shop tour article on my shop this past week, and I'll put a link in the description below for that. Jay has helped me out over the years with stuff like this or just advice, and I can't be more grateful for having a good friend like Jay. So thank you, Jay, and I really appreciate that. In other news, I got on a podcast this week, International Maker Podcast, and we talked about an idea that I had, and we was kind of just brainstorming the idea. So that's what the podcast was about. The podcast is called Throwdown Thursday, and essentially the idea is to take two makers and put them in competition with each other, and then the winner takes all. So for example, if I had two makers making a pencil holder, those two makers would make that pencil holder, and you, the viewers, would vote to see which one is better, and then whoever wins would take on the next guy. So, or girl. Hopefully I can get that thing rolling and get that up and running, and that should be a lot of fun. In other news, I want to talk about this light that I just received from Sansi. Sansi has sent me a few lights, and let me tell you, every one of these lights that they've sent me has been top-notch. Very bright, very low cost energy efficient, or very cost energy efficient, something like that. You know what I mean. But this one here is probably one of my favorite ones. This is actually designed to go outside and mount up on like a barn or your house or whatnot. I took this a little different. I mounted it to this little board, put some sandpaper on the bottom of it so it don't slide around or anything, and then now I got like this trouble light that I can use around the shop or working on my car or whatever else. And let me tell you, man, this light is bright as hell. There is specs on them. I'll put them down below, and I'll also put a link to in the description for this light as well. By far, this is my favorite light that they've sent me. So Sansi, thank you for the light, and I will definitely be using this. I actually been using this to light up the green screen. So that's really all I got for you this week. One other thing that I want to mention is I did start another YouTube channel. It's called MF Outdoors. If you're interested in kayaking, camping, potentially fishing, stuff like that, go check out that channel. There is a few videos up there right now just of the kayaking, and really they're kind of starter videos, if you want to say. No voice, just music. It's just a few trips that we've made in our kayaks this year, and we had a good time, and I brought my camera along with it. So that's what those are. I'm really enjoying the kayaking, and that's kind of why I haven't been in the shop in the last few weeks, really. All the videos you've seen up to this point, they've been done for weeks, and so they've just been sitting in my queue. So I really appreciate all my subscribers and all the people that's viewing this. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That really helps me out a lot, and share any and all my videos with your friends and family and other social media links. That really, really helps. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.